It is time for a couple more unboxings. Got something in here, take a guess what it is, and got another box over here. We're gonna tear into this one first. I'll be right back. Well, this one was actually packaged pretty well, so it should be in good shape. Yeah, this thing was packaged really well. It's got styrofoam on all sides, as you can see. So let me get this styrofoam and tape and plastic off and take a look at it. And here it is. This is a Galaxy 3714. It's in real good shape, aside from those two missing slots over there. The back grill doesn't have any missing, I don't think. It's not rusty anywhere. They gave the handle with it. They tied the cord up nicely. Turn it around here. And here's the back of it. This is a 2-speed fan. It's got the plastic motor housing. So I'm gonna unwrap this cord and we'll start it up. It's all plugged in. Let's start off on high. Got plenty of power. And it's nice and quiet on low. I'm sure the speed will increase a little bit. So this thing probably needs to be oiled, but yep, it's nice and quiet on low. It's not that bad, but it could definitely stand to be oiled. Let me turn it around here, and we got a startup sound. Cords on these are a little bit short, which is always a problem. There we go. Here is high. And now low. Alright, that's it for this one. We'll tear into that other box now. Thanks for watching.